The name of my hometown is Kumilla. It is located in the southeastern part of Bangladesh. First, let me tell about its culture. One of our most popular event is Kushi February, where the whole community comes together to honor our language martyrs. Kumilla is also known for traditional folk song and cultural programs. There are many local food are arranged for buying and selling, which is part of our local traditions. Kumilla is also known for its hospitality. The people of here are welcoming, friendly, and always ready for help others. Another special aspect of Kumilla is its natural beauty. There are many paddy fields and green villages and charming rivers. The Gumuti River flows through Kumilla, adds extra beauty to Kumilla. Speaking of food, Kumilla is most famous for its rasmalai. There are many traditional sweet and snacks. According to me, the people of my hometown is honest, hardworking, and positive-minded. I love my hometown from the bottom of my heart.